Ebusian for and some kosu ewo maimu ye da sorry na che say yante asemfo for dia na che say ade enche enti ne ye kan say trinti ye die ye nyan eche so de biara eda because that da ensem no ba e na ebobo eba na hu susu bi hia say too much ahwefo ye de ni nyina ebeba ababeso mu na susu watimi ehu de ekoso na wada eye wo hu eso na ebusian enche ye bia e na prophet na jugezi ai wodi nsem bi ebebetu edwa e ma ye hu se wo sofo de se wono monsa open man ne de keka eye enwo a wo sa nipa no ye ntimi ngina sa enoma no so enkase uye a fake man of God and answer who free nyame esa se nipa bia e woni sintoye o woni mre ye ni weakness into bia ni weakness dia na nye that aspect no so ko se so for no monsa so for pema so for kese ene ma grow akoba ya atopra ni kwan se wo man e ye wadwen se so for we de wo free nyame de bi obia e wo ye ni sintoye no de se we atu dwa na edin sense bebre e na eba na ne de ya wo san de eba betu eye eto de busofo ese wani ensese ye kan ede echewo odifo echiremu a ya edifu djuma no enoma bebre e na ewomo eba no difo ensem anase difo djuma no mu a chese obia ne na eyi a wogina ai na chese ye beka se we bia difo mu no ye wo MP ye wo assemblyman ye wo honorable sans in stages na mu e na chese ewo na edifo bi no wo ha you see in bit and you prophesy in bit obi wo ha wo behunu betimi aso ano obi wo ha wo hunu untimi enso ano na nsem bia wo kan ya chese mekwakwa meti ha me yamje mivim ene se nyankopon krampo etimi ema wodifo etwantro ebusiafo ensem a we ye papa idi tu dwa na enye no nkwa chese wo chemu susu a ye manya ye wo mu de ntia o mayi se ye bre na ye si apini nyina se ye mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama ya nto aba amfa amanu no eno susu eka ho ebi na wo sere se nyankopon ebe ye mampanyi na nadran Akufo Addo adom na wonu etimi amani nyansa ni ndo betimi de bo manya nya sa pande se de wo hye nkom dada na ogusu ehye na won onwie ye no ko koso a ehye se yen 83 kom se de so no sa e na ebekoso no eno a ene ye daso ewom na ebusuefo man kotie ne nsem ode atu edwane ba ya to aso.
There were types of prophets. Your minor prophets and your major prophets. And a major prophet, no, your major prophet be in a given field. And every major prophet and every prophet, no, was some and share how you be defined. Yeah, but Joel talks about restoration. Joel talks about the Holy Spirit. But Jeremiah, he talks about the people of going into exile. Jeremiah. Yeah, but Isaiah say the virgin will give birth. Now that makes Isaiah. And see, you cannot be and we have prophet that like Samuel, he ministered at Shiloh. He ministered before the people of God at Shiloh. He had a nationalistic oil. You were a diphobia, a radidio minor amomo. They see like me by the mercies of God, and I'm not the only person. Ghana has a lot of it. Your home last Thursday, your main angels ever found me kosro. Eko can send me brain me. In you were diffua nediano or hey. It happened to me a sense. Mediano by the mercies of God. Meet me sense. I met me whom bet me fimimu aqua bonte aqua check yaba. Into me on nationalistic oil. And I not just nationalistic oil. I speak about America. I speak a mediano no. Semper as here. Into you can't be a prophet.
And a major prophet.
They said yes. They said Daniel. Daniel had a kingly oil. I have a kingly oil.
Okay.
Like Esther. She had a queenly oil that she could go to the king. And you be I could draw me one. Nancy, yes, I and microphone be air. And then normal say young man like me, meet my catcher on man pay. So I want to mean yammy because median a divine, a mechanic, a nippon semi, they bet me attacking me. And some of me the seconds back and the regular person whom I am farm and own to me. A home ne ba me so meka.
Now, say, can say, especially the major prophets.
Yes, please.
I be working on your own. On a national level.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Is it possible that as you are seeing, one is saying, say, this party will win, the other is saying that this party will not win? Meanwhile, you are saying the
Very
same.
possible.
How?
Possible.
How?
We see in bits and prophesy in bits. Yeah, it depends on where you are standing before God. Young Crawford, omu medo ebi hu ano emetra obi won obi hu ano hu medo amatra ba oka embem because onye hu adwuma okay, last Thursday nyame ma me hu so call heaven.
Okay,
me do heaven, you know, for that's the first time I menya transvision ache so for be a diphobia no okosro nyame hu man so a odi more than 1 minute. Okay. A second so aba. But when Yami keep him for a long time, so I was asking myself, am I at the right place? And I'm a Holy Ghost. Penamu say papa netrim mi unechi. And I Yamenjo be a minute say me na kumo notice no. Inti mi hu nechi. Obinsu obetimaka say hu me bo. Obetimaka say hu me nsa. So Psalm 115 says he's God, he lives in the heavens and he does what pleases him. At the same road, but the cars are different. Oh yeah, nyame, oh yeah, ni opeso yeah. And there is a spirit before God called a lion spirit. Nyame won betimi e de asema be se odiphobia no. No one kasa sheda am a D for ne twatro. It doesn't make the D for fake prophets.
Ne be den ho se ne D for ken entro no otwa
and
say because akoye faith, akoye gidie mu asem.
Yes, please say onim etro na. And nyame won motel so a Romans says as many that are led by the spirit are the sons of God. Semba choti say a D for njuma no complicated. I tell you, say, but the message of God, my son come 19 years or more. My statistician come at the age of 14. And I tell you, say, some of the things that I even say, sometimes my man never prompt me. You might not even know. Somebody told you, I say, inti ane prophet ebe to me, ne prophet be or honoma. Or showing ne come say, or qua obelusu battle. Obinsu bebre baka say, or qua obe winning. But your little voice, no, the young prophet, Nidian Ede. It's the same circumstances, but depends on where you are standing and depends on the covenant upon your life. And at every given time, Nyami raise one voice or raise 2 voices. Somebody here.
Bakobe cancel the other?
No, like say the last election, there were a lot of prophets that came out to say
your prophecy didn't come in.
It came to pass, and I'll leave that to the court of public opinion. I won't go there today. I won't go there with whatever happened now. It's Nana Kufuado. I pray for him. This don't I pray for him and his government machinery. I'm a positive-minded man of God. Let's focus. Let's support him. My prayer, the Lord will help him because it's not easy to be a leader. I was praying that the Lord will preserve him. I was praying, say, that's it. Because I think so need a man who don't call on a villain. And I say, do sa level, and no be bringing your kutia. And you hear a good counsel, you hear and say, people can look into his face and say, Papa, and call for bread. If you so your counseling to send the counseling and Calbetimasi, the system is hot. A man and koi everywhere. I mean, enkoye. But
was it part of the things that who here were
prophecy? Yeah, me can say nyame ado yamfa kwame do man yamba. Oman be 1983 and the records are there, is on everywhere and the signs are clear.
Now at Fourth Republic obia complaining aban bia buy so man mu ade aban bia buy so ban mu ade.
But this time it's okay for me it's unprecedented. Example, those days say metna say and like today I don't want to go into politics so much.
Because
no, I don't want to. I'm a prophet. I have to bless Sunday. We
are prophet today, but people also attach certain level.
But
of
like I said, Kwame. So be kanekre. Now also kra Quran, also kra with talisman, also kra Bible. Kwame, your man, I walk on the street. I drive on the street. I have members. I have so many members, church members. I know how I have colleagues, senior men of God. There is a big man of God in a big man in this country. The system today has made big men little boys. That there was a man that those days Mikonifia. That was the first time he's a Ghanaian. That was the first time me who said in Crawford she said cities in fridge, the freezer. and then of friend say prophet meet me with 2,000 or where juma ye go juma no and no man ko maybe pamo me workers be bring from next week.
Is it because of the doings or the inactivity?
No, and koye.
But yeah, so we are saying
No. You see, what we do is that yes, coronavirus landing everywhere.
Yes,
but to a larger extent, say minimum asofo be bring kasa. Yet since here council now, obeti match 5 a.m. Sounds to me 1 a.m. Obiamba. Not that they don't want to come, but sorry, Anana. Offering the cry, I have to give it back to the people. I've monitored. And I saw a program phone call. It's not the coronavirus. The time, you see, let's be truthful. And the young Palmer and Nekufa said, rather be Dumabuano on any mercenary. Not Nyamebe more another inspiration. What we are going through, the Ghanaian is going through. You see, me kanya me who ni so extra as a prophet. Maybe Omeka say national security in me. But of course they can't because I mean a yachra me. May catch on mine say may catch the watchers of the country say and normal enkoyi. The earlier we check it, the better. Me who normal be bring, but I think say as we go, maybe you can ask me and maybe I might.
Security is at risk.
That I have seen times and again spiritual. Even this dawn, soldiers on the street. I've said it. I think that I said it 2 years ago. Unless nobody.
Soldiers on the street doing what?
Yes.
Demonstrating.
No, I saw. You see, prophetically, you have images, you have sign. My sound come there. If there is anything for the Ghanaian to do, Nanekufat to do, we should tighten our security. I'm a spiritual man and I'm talking spiritual, including this dawn. I think 2 years ago, I'm sure sound come say, me down and me mama home so. I me call Bema camp and I'm say soldier for 37. Oma bahono ma na sekaseka. See, we Sunday me ya sorry no. Me say tema mo for the police for crash. Saturday na si on Nigeria no. Me say BS wa Ghana and we weren't able to control it. This done. Me call baby am a bomb pie because me be catch from mine. That's why the Lord told me some member to Captain Smart and all that. Me who say a soldier for 37 at the nation. So the young fat being a penny tier, IGP tier, CDS 8 tier, your papa a president 8 tier. Let's watch our borders. I'm not a prophet of doom, but Prophet Nigel Shen Koma a bem. Me Shen come 10 about the message of God about 9% bebem.
Necessarily, one of the things that you are seeing.
I have seen and I've said it. I'm still seeing it.
That is going to happen.
And Obibia or when need to send me when need tension in the atmosphere. This is not to cause fear. This is not to cause fear. We are praying. My prayer warriors are praying, and I know that I'm not the only seer in this country. But anybody that has eye knows that there's tension in the atmosphere.
You are talking about our borders. What is wrong with our borders?
No, I'm a prophet. I speak figuratively.
Now I was here for said there were didn't some out today. And he was seeing some ya. Because of say in come washa ebi entimi ambamu enunti and I will justify who in that aspect amagana for who say ebi ho kwa so for kwampo timi etwa nto nyame and the makwan masa entro no wo de ehye na funumu ana say they say nyame kwan a wafa so a wo pese wo no enye ne nuoma eno no sazenka ye ni Fred ye nti da so for bi ana so odifo bi evangelist bi aka say nyame emma obi etwa nto na so ye bring mu 21st century Prophet Najigeza waka edifo a wo mo wo manwu ama ye hunu se Nyankopon etimi ema na edifo anasa na sofo etimi etwa nto a eno eye wo no anepe na enu nti no ebusuafo ohwa eye mane na wo mane enu nti na wo keka eye ensem a ebetimi justify ama ye hunu se ne mane enum no krasto nyame ensa ewom anasa ede wadwentwefa de ye papa nsese aba enu nti enam so wo de ekeka no wadwentwefa ho enese fabra ebebetu edwai ewo tumagin eche comment section woni ne ya adwen afaka ho woni ne nya adwen so a na wo de eno so ato ho ewo buo kwan so eni adidie kwan so na follow yen ewo ye IG page eni ye Twitter page eni ebiom so ye Facebook page so na emrepa no madwenche no ye de beba abetu edwa ede ama media eni ekua sikapa dasene ebesane di ehia ebimakram